So this is 96 South End Road on Russell Island. This is a beautiful, expansive flat block, and it is cleared. There are a couple of trees at the back, but mostly cleared. 612 metres squared. Quiet area. So also this block has a power pole installed here at a savings of, that was 2,800. Just need the electrician to put the meter box on. There is town water on this side of the street as well. So if you'd like some more information, or you'd like to arrange a viewing to come and have a look, I'm happy to pick you up from the passenger ferry and bring you to the block. 612 metres squared. Thanks very much.